yung korupsyon, hindi yan inimbento ng kasalukuyang administration. Hindi rin yan inimbento ng administration ni Pangulong Duterte and the administrations before him. But ibang usapan na lalo mo pang palalain ang korupsyon sa iyong termino. As to your next question, what is your view of the current congressional investigation that deals with the supposed anomalies that took place under the presidency of Rodrigo Duterte? Let the axe fall where it may. And I think even President Duterte is very, very emphatic about it. If you have something against him, file it in the case within the jurisdiction of the Philippines.
Ma'am, last question, sir, last question lang. Ano po yung current relationship nyo with President Bongbong Marcos? When was the last time you talked? Does he know that you're running?
Hindi na kami nakakapag-usap ni Pangulong Marcos. Ang muling usapan namin, I think, September of 2022. At hindi ko kinakailangan magpaalam kahit kaninong politiko sa aking desisyon na katawanin ang tunay na oposisyon at ang interes ng mga mamamayang Pilipino.